Storybeam English.
Listen to stories and improve your English effortlessly. Stop saying, "I will do it tomorrow." Hello, friends. Today we will talk about Felipe. Felipe had big dreams, but he never started. He always said, "I will do it tomorrow." But tomorrow never came. He wanted to learn English. He wanted to exercise. He wanted to learn new skills, but instead, he looked at his phone or watched TV. 5 minutes became 1 hour. 1 hour became half a day. He said, "I will start after lunch." Lunch passed. He felt tired. He said, "I will start tomorrow." At night, he felt bad and sad. This happened every day. Felipe was not lazy forever. The problem was simple. The tasks felt too big. When something felt too hard, his brain chose the easy thing. But Felipe learned something important. Laziness is a habit, and habits can change. Here are the 4 simple steps Felipe used to stop being lazy and start doing what mattered. Step 1. Make it small. Big tasks scared Felipe, so he made them small. When he wanted to learn English, he did not study for 1 hour. He listened to English for 5 minutes to a podcast or English stories every day. After listening, he wrote 3 to 5 new words. He made simple sentences with them. He said the sentences out loud. Small steps felt easy. Small steps made him feel good. Small steps helped him start. When he wanted to write a book, he didn't try to write an entire 200-page book in one day. He just wrote 1 sentence that day. Small steps became big results. Step 2. Create easy routines. Felipe did not wait for willpower. Willpower ran out, but routines made things automatic. So, he made routines. For example, when he wanted to run in the morning, he put his shoes next to his bed. When he woke up, it was easy to start. He used routines like a toddler holding a parent's hand, just until he could walk alone. He chose 1 small daily habit, like writing a list or drinking water after waking up. Step 3. Use the 2-minute rule. For Felipe, starting was the hardest part, so he told himself, "I will do it for 2 minutes." When he wanted to learn English, he listened for 2 minutes or read 1 page. When he wanted to clean, he cleaned 1 small corner. After starting, it became easier to continue and finish cleaning his entire room. It was like pushing a ball down a hill. The first push was hard, but after that, it rolled on its own. Step 4. Use rewards. Felipe gave himself a small reward after he finished something. After he exercised, he listened to his favorite song or took a short break. Rewards made him feel happy and helped him keep going. Felipe learned the truth that everyone starts small. He did not need to be perfect. He only needed to start. His dreams were like a small fire. Every small action added more fuel. Soon, the fire grew bigger. Felipe asked himself, "What small thing can I do today?" He knew it was okay to fail. Everyone fails. What matters is trying again. Felipe kept it simple. Make tasks small. Create routines. Start with 2 minutes. Reward yourself. He did not wait for tomorrow. He started today. And his dreams came true. Thank you for watching. Remember, don't wait for tomorrow. Start small, start today. If you liked this video, press like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more simple lessons. See you next time.